Hi guys, welcome to Take a Look Tuesday. It's just a chance to invite you into my studio space and to share what I'm working on this week. It's quite chaotic in here. Let me turn the camera around and show you what's new, hey? So I'm going to stand back. I've got my sewing machine out today, so I'm working on finishing off the yoga balls, covering them with fur fabric, so I'm getting fluff up my nose. But yeah, that's what I'm working on. I've just been pinning these, and now I need to sew them, hoping that I can scrape together enough to finish off that one. I think I showed you these last week, just reshaping these with the balls inside to get it ready. I'm basically getting ready for a show in London at Easter, which isn't that far off now. Just mending things that are going to go in the exhibition, really, and getting everything ready. I've got bits and pieces everywhere. There's a painting that I've been working on that's not finished, but having some fun with different colours. This is my trolley. I was painting at my church for the first time in a long time, actually, on Sunday. So this is my little take everything with me trolley, which I haven't unpacked yet, although I did actually remember to take out the brushes and wet stuff to wash those, but that's why my wall is empty at the moment, because it had paintings on preparing and practicing various techniques for doing that. What else is there to show you? Oh, the other thing is this. This is my inspiration board. I'm doing a 12-week boot camp painting course with Nicholas Wilton called CVP, Creative Visionary Program, and the very first week he asks us to do an inspiration board, and I really went for it. I spent hours and hours on Pinterest. I found it really helpful. I've done this sort of thing over and over, but every time you do it, you find something has more clarity, or you just work out better ways to describe your art. So the whole thing of being weird and wonderful really stood out to me as I answered his questions, and just researching that phrase weird and wonderful on Pinterest, helped me to start finding things that resonated with me. So yeah, this is how I would say my art is at the moment. This is colour, looking at two different colour palettes, especially one that's more joy and life focused, sort of fun fairs and circuses and that type of thing, and one that is more spacious and free, more deck chair sort of feel to it. You can see the different sort of things that resonate with me on those colour themes. Order and chaos has always been very much central to my work. I like a bit of both, so at the bottom I've got all the mesh dribbles, textures, and at the top the patterns that I love. And then I'm interested in 2 and 3D, so just thinking about these things and the artists that inspire me. So there's some artists that are 2D and artists that are more 3D. And then here, nature and things that are imagined. So I'm sure you've heard me talking about being inspired by seed pods and DNA and cells from the body, those sorts of things. I love animal skins, particularly chameleons, because of their colours. But then things down here, sorry, I've got all my bits and pieces in the way. Yeah, things like stripy candy and, the sort of whole aesthetic of various films like Alice in Wonderland and The Cat in the Hat and Coco. Obviously there's stripes, there's aliens down here, all sorts of things, fluorescence and glow in the dark. So this is what I've been working on. And it's sort of just getting me thinking really about what things light me up, what things really put a fire in me that I can then bring it in, you know, even more into my art and make it even more me, really, which is the general aim. Anyway, yeah, so thinking about lots of things and fluff up my nose, as you can probably tell. But I thought you'd like to just see me in my mess and hear what I'm up to. So I hope you're having a good week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.